Hi guys, it's me Gianna. Today we're gonna make noodle dough. I'm so ready to mix and squish. Let's do it! And here are the ingredients. Ma, I cannot remember what ingredient is this. Flour, salt, and of course egg, which we crack the yolk into the bowl. Okay, we're gonna pour all the flour on the mat. Is this the flour? It's okay.
It's okay,
Now we're gonna make hole in the middle. How do we do it? Now we're gonna make the hole in the middle of this flour mountain. Then we're gonna crack the 2 eggs here. I learned how to crack 2 eggs easily. Mixy, mixy. Wait, so fast. Gianna, so fast. It looks like noodle eggs. It's so washy and munchy. One more egg. Give me an egg. It's okay. Bye, egg. The mountain's so spready. It looks like a pool inside it. And then it's the fun part. I'm gonna squish. I'm gonna make that dough. I'm gonna knead it until I got the smooth dough.
Oke, Mama help ya. Nih Mama bantu ya biar cepet ya. Tisu nggak bisa. Kita finish this first, and then we can clean our hands later. You have to keep kneading like this.
See, not sticky anymore.
Alright. It's a very heavy work. Keep doing it.
I cannot knead anymore. Better clean my hands. Mama keep kneading, Gianna clean her hand. Alright guys, this is the dough. It's done. Ta-da! And now we're gonna roll it with what? What can we roll it with? It's quite heavy, but I'm so strong.
Is it heavy, Gianna?
No. I'm gonna divide it into 4 parts.
Got 2 already, and then divide it again. Does it feel heavy?
No, I'm quite strong. And now I'm gonna take 1 part and then roll it again. I already took 1 part to get it even thinner, like a pizza shape. I love pizza this time.
Pizza? But you're making noodles.
Oh. Yeah. We need to pour some flour on it. Now it's not too sticky.
Yeah.
Until it's so lighter. Let's roll it with this machine. By the way, this is called pasta machine.
You wanna do it by yourself?
Yes. Roll.
Just
Roll.
keep going. One more time. And then Gianna, hold the ends. And then pull it up.
I cannot. It looks like a...
One more, yeah?
It looks like a towel. I'll help you get it out. out. Wow, I didn't broken it.
Iya, pintar ya. Sprinkle some flour here. Sprinkle.
Cannot. I want to make other one. Wow, Mama, I'm doing it by myself. Ma. I cannot make it so thin. Is it done? Ma, I'm doing it. Now I'm gonna cut it with my nail. Gianna's done.
Do you know what Mama is doing? We're making long strand.
Huh?
Hey, we got our noodle strand. Look, Jen.
Noodles. Is it ready? Is it ready to dunk?
Alright.
Yum, yum, yum. Is it done? Are those noodles ready? Are those noodles done? I love to eat them.
Jadi ya.
I think Gianna's got to be brave.
How does it taste?
Yummy. How about dunk the lettuce and
Yes,
chips in? Ducky. The resin. Alright guys, this is our noodles. Let's cook with noodles. Yummy.
Ben,
Boleh nggak?
ya, aja. Nggak boleh, nggak boleh.